Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on a slime farm. Hopefully, okay, the video should look a lot better. Don't get me wrong, it's still going to have some glitches. It's because I don't have it on extreme intensity of recording. I found out my problem, whatnot, but yeah, we're going to be working on a slime farm. Please do keep in mind, it does not have much purpose on this server, at least for right now. I'll see if I can talk to some people, see if I can get it on the mob drops. But yeah, for now, this is an automation channel. That's what this is for. Here to test things, get mad at each other, and have fun, you know? It's all about having fun. So let's hop into it, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you do enjoy. Alright, as I said in the intro, you're going to be working on a slime farm. Of course, it can't be up here. It has to be below Y40. So, I've already made an area. Sadly, it won't be up there where everyone can use it, but, you know, who knows? You know, it is what it is. Sorry, I went on a brain fart. Crap, it's not down here. Home, video, YT, was it YT? Yeah, it's YT. Play of ML. Who said? Okay. Sure. He's gonna win, but, because I've been doing it to him for the past, like, couple of minutes, but, you know. Oh, I thought I won again. I was like, wait a minute, what? That's fine. Alright. Wait, what? Home. Oh, hang on. YT. There we go. YT was what I named it. Okay. There we go. Alright. Alright. Yeah, the YT rank's gone. Some people were mentioning that. I've already got the spawner down because, you know, I had to work on it. But we're going to be doing some testing too as well in this video. If you want, you can skip to the end and you can skip through it. Your choice. Let's see. So, let's place down that one. That one can stay there. That one. And that one. Alright. By the way, it is much darker in here than what my character sees. It's just, actually, probably should take that up. And put it in this one. It's right there. Yes, my GUI is a lot different. I don't know if you guys do like the GUI that I have set up. It's more for that thing over there in the chat to minimize it, you know. But it messes with me seeing how small these things are now. But this is the slime balls I got from using it earlier. Okay, we are going to, because we already got this set up. Oh crap, I didn't mark where it was. Okay, and also, I'm gonna mark, do I have signs? Yes, I do. Alright, side dimensions, 11x11. I'm gonna double check that too. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it's 11. Meaning, I'm gonna go and get my wool blocks. Oh wait, I just remembered. I broke my stuff from last time. I need to empty my inventory again. I lost my shears from last time. Oops. Well then. Okay, I'll cut back. I gotta head to the bank. 1 second, and we'll be right there, and poof. And we're here at the bank. Make sure it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. All right, we're at the bank. Go in here. By the way, there's spawn over there. You come right to the right, and you come over here. Boom. Or you can do /warp bank. bank, and it pulls down a timer, and you're all good. You'll teleport to it. Okay, I'm doing this to also show off some features as well, because I know some people don't know it, and that's perfectly okay. I really hope they're not asking where I am, because I am totally not here. We're gonna... You guys really need... black. 1 second, guys. Cutting now. Alright, sorry about that. Had to answer some questions for some people. Because, yeah, I know I'm YouTuber on the server, but I still have to help. Right, I need to get back to getting the money. I don't exactly want that much. I think I want just 200. Nice. Alright, now I've got 200. Now we're gonna go back home. Oh, wait, no. Home. My tea. Oh, I need to put a crafting table down there. Oops. Alright, here we are. I don't know if you noticed, but I put some mods on my thing. I'm sorry, Bedrock people, you can't do this kind of stuff. If I could do something about it, I would. I would 100% do that. Just saying, I would. If you guys don't like that I'm able to do this and you're not, that I'll remove it. That's perfectly fine. I like to keep it does not give me any advantage. Actually, the main reason I got the coordinates on my screen, matter of fact, I think Bedrock has that, but the main reason I did it was so that you guys could actually find my base and stuff. So maybe we could do some stuff. I know there's also player warps as well. Now, player warp, and there's now guys, player warp. There we go. And you can go to Utopiaverse, which is a city thing. It's pretty cool. Let's eat. All right. This will be a pretty long video, but you guys get to see my thought processes before videos. This one, simply because it doesn't have much of a use at this very moment. Someone go back, please. Someone go back in that recording and tell me where I just got 2 stone from. Tell me, did I have another stone in my inventory? Hold up. No. I just found a bug. I have managed to find yet another bug. I can't, for some reason, do it again. Why can't I do it again? Oh, that's not a good thing. Oh, that's not a good thing. Hang on. Ooh, that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing that I found that. That's not a good thing. Ooh, that's okay. Well then, I found a bug. All right, this video is going to have to be used as a bug report as well. That's right. I'm Steph. I can do stuff with that. I think, not Steph, but I mean, oh my God, sorry. Okay, we need to get back to this. Okay, we're going to need, because I think slime still died to oak fences. I want to check something. Wood. Yes, I have these. Okay, available. How much is that? Ooh, that's not that much. I will take that. I will take 2 stacks. You know, I should probably mute that. Actually, I need to do. Jeez. Levy, please do not use caps. That was a lot of caps. Crap. Okay. Where was the center? Mother trucker. Okay, this is weird. Oh my god, I keep mining up the center. Okay, that's the center. Leave it that way. Okay. I need to do a slight test. I need you, and that's the wolf spawner. I need you. Yeet. Alright. Come back when I get this tested. As I thought. It's... Oh, by the way, future reference, if you're building a spawner, and it's not spawning stuff. It feels like it's been taking too long. Shift right click, or I think just, yeah, shift right click. Shift place click for Bedrock, you know what I mean. Okay, it should pull up this menu right here. See, it says invalid spawn conditions. It'll show you what conditions is preventing it, and obviously, because you can read, area is too dark. Okay, meaning I need to light this area up, which I can easily fix. Miscellaneous, decorations. Where is this thing at? Aha, nice. I think I'm just gonna get 64. We're gonna put one there, 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 and there. They might get in the way later. If you want, if I don't set up a storage system in this video, look for the next video, because if I don't do it now, I'll definitely do it in a bit. Oh yeah, no, oh, meteorites just spawned. Ooh, I want to go to that, but it seems really, really far away. Ugh, darn. If it was closer, I'd definitely go. We're just gonna yeet this thing in the corner, just to trigger somebody's OCD. Alright. Cut back when another thing. Well, also, you can't shift right click immediately. You have to give it, like, its valid time to, spawn. So, give me 1 second, I'll cut back and see if there's any more issues, and then we'll continue. So, while this is getting ready to spawn, I had to add some blocks directly above the spawner, in this kind of pattern. One in the corner, one midway, you get the point. Because of lights problems. I don't know if it's still gonna have problems or not, but they should spawn any second now. If I watch it, there'll be a flicker, it'll be like poof kind of motion when one spawns. Oh, I didn't turn on the sounds. Oops, kind of too late to do that now. It would, oh, yep, it works. Alright. Alright. We're going to keep that mind out. Okay, yeah, we're still playing. Okay. What I'm wanting to... Oh, I'm still going to need to do some more testing. Don't question the fish. That's future video. It'll probably be just like a short kind of video. I need 2 buckets of water. Miscellaneous, 2 buckets. How much is that? That's not much, actually. Nice. We're gonna need a infinite water source. We're gonna build it this way. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Okay. Right, yeah, right. We need 1, 2, and because it's an 11 by 11, I'm not sure how far this will travel. This might end up being like the, yeah. We're gonna do this, that. With the Iron Golem farm, I had to go out 5 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, 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 boom. That'll work for now. We're gonna try this, see if it makes it to the center, and it does. Good. Hang on. So, all right, it works, and it works kind of perfect actually. I was kind of hoping that it would. Actually, let's see what happens if I bring it back a block. Bring it back a block. Then do that. Oh, it still goes in. Okay, that's strange. Okay, let's bring it back one more block. Okay, remove the water source and do this. There might be a couple cuts during the video. I've already reported that bug because that bug is kind of important. Because if I don't know what its full extent of duplication is, and yes, that's what I wanted. Okay, now we gotta do this for the rest of the corners. That's 3 blocks. Nice. You guys are also watching me experiment too, which is gonna be cool because then you guys get to understand what I have to go through. Because I don't fully know these. I know just basic stuff, but it's just through experimenting that I even make these. Let's see what's in CF. Yeah, you can exit them and still work. Those actually go all the way to the center. That's really good. Let's see. Alright, now, crap, we gotta block that off now. We'll do that. Since I'm flying pretty much anyways. Hopefully it says room to spawn. Please give us room to spawn. Please spawn on the water. That would be absolutely amazing. If it spawns on the water, that'll make this 10 times easier. Please spawn in the water. But I'll cut back to when it spawns because it takes a hot minute. So cut back when it happens. It worked. It literally worked. It literally spawned here. Oh, that's awesome. Wait, it's going to me. That's fine. Now, but I need this answered. Get off of me. I need this answered. Please work how it used to always work. Come on. Does it not work anymore? Was it 2? Come on. Will this thing stop moving? Come here. I want you to come here. I want you to just please work how it used to work. That's all I ask. Come here. I might be doing it wrong too, but I don't know. Oh, come here. There we go. Is it not breaking? They're not breaking. Give me 1 second to figure this out. Alright, I changed my mind to how I'm going to build this. I'm going to build it a little bit different. Actually, a lot different. Because the cool thing about slimes is that they die from fall damage. And when they do, they'd still drop their items. Literally. What can you word? Carved. Ah, crap. Who? I thought someone TP'd to me. Now I gotta. Oh, wait, no. I need to disable this. Boom, boom. No! Die! Thank you. I'm not even using the bow I made. Jeez. Okay. Put that there. Okay. Crap. But yeah. This is going to be very different to what I was going to do. Originally, mobs would die to these fence gates. Apparently not anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to make them fall off the edge. To something very normal, actually, that you probably wouldn't have expected me to use. Obviously, I already said it, it's fall damage. But they will... You've seen how they were working. They were trying to go after me. So, I'm just going to abuse that, because most entities, thingamabobs are supposed to be removed, or not working, whichever you choose to put it. And this says that it's working. I'm currently mining this like you would in a prison server. Jeez. Now, how deep should I make it? Should I make it... I'm going to make it 5 deep. Okay, the original thing is going to be 5 deep. I mean, 11 deep, or whatever. 11 by 11. The original scale is 11 by 11. From there, you extend it 5 blocks in one direction. And the height that I have it set at, give me a second. Let me see how many blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks high. Normal spawn rate. Normal spawner height. You get the point. Okay. Okay. Now, for my OCD, we're going to do that. We're going to fill all this in, obviously, for my OCD's sake, because that's too big of a difference. And from here, I don't know why this is mined out. Here's the original wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crap. Half of you are probably like, Matrix, you didn't do that right. Yeah, I know. Yeah, drag clicking definitely comes in handy. Okay, now, because there's a mine shaft down there, this could prove to be a slight problem. Okay, so the 5 mark. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang it. Haste 2 is not fun. Is not fun when you're trying to do stuff. It's useful somewhat, but it definitely gets in your way sometimes. Now, how far does it take to kill a slime? I have no earthly idea. So, again, testing time. Not really, but I know it's probably just the normal mob thing. We're gonna start with, well, actually, we're just gonna go really far down. Actually, now I think about it, we have haste. only thing I gotta be careful of is mining this far wall here. But it is what it is. But well, I'm gonna take this time to explain how this is gonna work. You know, actually, hang on. I might be able to set this up to where it's one full video, but I could time lapse it. I don't really want to time lapse it again. Okay, you guys let me know in the comments if I should do this in a time lapse. For now, I'm gonna stick with just the normal videos. You know. Oh, this is gonna prove a problem. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fill up these walls. You know what? I'm just gonna cut. We're just gonna say to go down 30 blocks. You're gonna go. What you're going to go down? Not 30 blocks. You're gonna go down. Render distance is that far, so normal drop distance is 32. Oh wait. We're going to do something actually kind of fun. You're going to do it, you're going to mine down 30 blocks. And from there, you're going to set up a lava killer. Kind of like what I've done for my cows, you know? Same system. Is now being applied to slimes. Which is going to be interesting because, like, just of how they work, and because they get smaller and stuff. This could. Oh wait, no! I know exactly what we can do. Ha 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 ha! Yo, boy, just had a big brain moment. All right, this is how far we're gonna go, I think. Because it's not like they're going to jump out. And we're not making a multi-layered farm. So, we're going to play the smart game. This is... maybe... Actually, we're going to go down... that far. Okay, we're going to go like that. Oops, I already passed it. Okay. Here like this. Yep, I made it one farther over. Alright. Did I cut? No, okay. I think I said I was going to cut, but I'm not going to, because we're already pretty much there. Awesome. And then there we go. We got that done. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now we're going to set up the lava trap. No, we're not going to do lava. We're not going to do lava this time. You're going to take those, though. They go up. Put these away. And you get rid of those, I think. Get rid of that as well. Okay, that's looking good. I'm gonna throw those in there, so I stopped trying to grab them. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get two stacks of these, and we're going to set up a system that goes back under the farm. That's what we're going to do. Give me a second. Set this up. Nope, can't. Video. Message Sam. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Boom. Alright. Oh, right. Unless I'm over here, I don't get the effects. Okay, then. That's gonna be fun. Let's go back over here. Let it reset. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna go pretty far because of reasons. But, you know. Crap, I gotta go back over here. Crap. Stupid beacon. Who am I kidding? I'm not even anywhere near the tree, really. Simply because this has no purpose, and I'd have to make a water elevator, which I don't really want to do. Not gonna lie. Now, for the water system. They're gonna have to be killed, and I have to force them to die. We make it flow very thin. Andrew, I'm going to ask you not to talk. Let's see. 5, 6, 7. Right, we're going to make another, whatchamacallit, another infinite water source. Crap, don't do that. Yes, I have 2 buckets of water, good. Dang it, stupid haste. Let's see, is that working? Crap. Oh wait, I can just do this. Yeet, yoink. Yeah, you could even do that. Okay. That's not very thin, so we're gonna have to do... Oh, crap. Did not mean to do that. Boop. Boop, boop. We're gonna bring it back 3. Boom. Apparently I'm not in range of haste anymore. Oh, crap, spoke too soon. Okay, now I have to... There we go, now I can move again. I don't want to go too close. Okay. Of course he is. Alright. Okay, let's see. Do this again. Here we go again. Test number 2. Why does this suddenly not work? Crap, I just broke that water bucket. Oh, crap. Why does this suddenly no work? Crap, I just did it again. Okay, apparently I'm going to have to make an infinite water source anyways. Alright. I'm going to do that. Okay, really? Boom. Boom. Okay, boom. What the heck? Actually, how thin is that running? Oh, that's going good. Nice. Alright. That means I can go ahead and delete this. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace this first 5 layers with magma blocks. So hopefully these butt heads die. Because things don't tend to like to die for me. Apparently these are considered a light source block for Optifine, because I just got brighter with these in my hand. Shut up, you don't hurt me. Although you're probably getting annoyed seeing that flicker. Okay. Get off me. Alright. That should be everything. Actually, we need to make sure this flows far enough. Does that flow one more block? No, it does not. That needs to flow one more block. Alright, there we go. That's more like it. I'll explain that in a second. We're going to do that. Boom. Then, now we're going to fill this up the rest of the way. Then we'll mine out of the way. Thank you. Boom. Boom. Come here. Let me get another one. Thank you. There we go. Now it's caught up. Alright, now we're going to go like that, like that. So that's going to be that. We'll go back one more. Boom. Awesome. I hear lava, though. That's not exactly a good thing. Lava doesn't really bother me anyways, though, because I've prot 4 and all. Or, well, prot, like, 4,000. It doesn't matter. You get the point. It isn't going to bother me. Alright. I also need to fill in that hole up there. There we go. Boom. Make sure we're still recording, yeah. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to set up a hopper system, which I'm going to have to make. I'm going to move those hoppers down here, I think. Item clear, nice. Let's go ahead and get rid of this stuff, that stuff. Iron ore, don't need it. Then we are going to need the redstone shulker. That's low on crap. Apparently I needed those iron ingots, apparently. Shop. Let's just go and buy them outright. 5,000. Oof, that's gonna be a lot. Because I'm pretty sure that's an 11 by 11, so I have to add that much. And then we're gonna add, I think, 3 rows of shulkers. I mean, 3 rows of things. So 1, 2, 3. Boom. Boom. Then, oh wait, I just realized. Oh no, I can just put fence gates. Ah crap. I need to go get Yeah, I need to bring those shulkers down here. I need... Actually, I can use this right here. There we go. That's perfect. All good. Get off me. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna buy that. I'm not going back up there. That was annoying. Okay. Chest. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy 64 because I always seem to be out of chest. We're gonna make the chest system right here. Then okay, now we go like that. Then now for this stuff, the one annoying bit in all of this. Boom, boom, boom. Keep in mind, this is probably not the best one, but I'm using one I can't. This is probably the only way I can do it via server side stuff and whatnot. Alright. There we go. Now, I think we're going to make one more row of chests. Boom. There we go. Boom. Crap. Awesome. Gave it to me. And then... Crap. Crap. I said 3 rows of chests, and I still have one left over. Okay, figured. Okay, for cleanness, we're gonna do that. I'll probably decorate this later or something, but for now, we'll probably leave it. Actually, no, I'm gonna get rid of this dirt. I don't like dirt. Cobblestone is life, not dirt. You know what I'm talking about? Good job. Or know where that reference came from. And good job. Andesite can leave too. Right. Of course, I know I'm not using cobblestone. I don't care, but all right. Boom. Now, make sure none of that went in my chest system. Good. Now, we're going to del home YT and set home YT slime. Boom. Okay. Sorry about that. My friend just started making weird noises again. Okay. No, I just want to eat. Thank you. I think that looks good. I could just make another hop system right here, but no, I'm good. Now, for some finishing touches, we're going to do this, this, and that. Alright. Reason being is the slimes hopefully still take damage on the things, because the little ones, you know, because the little ones can freaking go under 2 blocks or whatever. Crap. Right, boom. Shut up. Okay. Now, oh my god, I'm getting stuck in a block and it doesn't make any sense. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And then throw all the stone I can in there. Alright. Looking good. I need my 2 water buckets. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to do some cool stuff. That didn't work. It's not working like it's supposed to. Awesome. We destroyed that water source. Now we need to pick up all of that. Boom, boom. White wolf can go too. Yeet, yeet. Now. You may be saying to yourself, wait, how are they supposed to go down? Well, it's quite simple, actually. Well, actually, it's a lot more simple. Okay, we're going to do something pretty cool. First, we're going to need to test this bit. We may not even need to use the player to do this. And there we go. Now regretting that I removed the stupid water source. Alright. Boom. Boom. Crap, wrong block. Boom, boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. I said boom. Really? You do this to me? Okay. It's getting stuck in that block. Are you serious? Why are none of the other ones? Why are they doing this? Is it simply because of that, really? This is why I hate water. It does such weird things in the weirdest places. Okay, now we're gonna need to do. How many blocks is it missing? We're missing 2. Boom, 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 boom. Now, I'm kind of glad I did this, because now I can just do this. Apparently not. Go back in there. Okay, boom. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that back and figure out why this is being weird again. Really? Okay. See how it is. Boom. Boom. Oh my god. Now we gotta wait. Now we have to wait and see what happens. God dang it. Alright. It should spawn, but you never know. Ugh. Sorry, this video's been probably like forever long, but you guys get to see what I have to go through, I guess. For once. I mean, not that I'm making you do it. It's not something to get back at y'all. It's just what I do. I like to show what I do off camera, you know. Okay, valid entities still. Okay, it's on the roof, so that's good. Come on, come on. Still says it's valid. Oh, there it goes. See, now, hopefully they die. Yep, they die. But they're going in the wall. Wait, what? I specifically said you're not allowed to do this. To you guys specifically. That's fine. Easy fix. Excuse me. Okay, I went all went in the hopper system. That's fine. Slash craft. What we're gonna do is use slabs. Which is fine. It just, hopefully those things go in like they're supposed to. Oh, I heard one spawn. They keep going off to the side. I have to do something to stop that. Wait, what? Wait. What happens if they split out here? That went in the chest, right? Oh, hang on. Might still be traveling there. Whatever. I need to get rid of all these slabs. I made too many of them. And I left no blocks to replace that. Nice. Alright. Boom. Nope. Wrong block. Wrong thing. Okay. Here we go. What? Why is it? Okay, that's fine. It's a baby, I guess. Nice. Yeah, you saw that. You saw the slime ball. Let's go. We did it. Though the fact that it's fighting the water's not exactly a good thing. But it's going for me, isn't it? That's what it is? Yeah, it's because it's going for me. But it dies, and that's all that matters. Thank God. I don't know what you're trying to get to me for, because you're just going to die anyways. Let's go. Looking awesome. Let's see. It's not shop. Mob drops. Oh, it is in here! But it's, never mind, you buy it. Never mind, but you can't sell it. That's kind of annoying. I feel like they didn't expect me to find a way to automate it. I don't know. Get over here. I don't have enough blocks. Actually, I have plenty of blocks right here. How did you just get through? Doesn't matter. You're not gonna be. You guys aren't gonna be down here anyways. You guys are gonna need to make a path to a place like right here-ish, and stay like right here. So it goes down there and spawns still up here. You're not gonna be down there, so you shouldn't be. You shouldn't have run into any of those problems. But for the sake of it, this is how you fix that. Boom, boom, boom. Crap, I just blocked it off. That's how you fix that. Just for extra protection, we're just gonna do that too. Boom. Now we're all good. All fine and dandy. Don't leave that there, okay? You're gonna want to make tunnels through the sides and all, because, yeah. Don't leave that, guys. Leave that to you guys. But yeah, birch nice and fine. Nice and fine. Goes down and around, and they die, and you get all the mob drops. Boom. Already a lot. I'm gonna put that back. Take those two. Nope, give that back. Stop burning me. You're not doing any damage. Boom. Also, I need to put that back in there. No. Slime. Boom. And what's fun is you're not going to get anything but the slime in this farm. I honestly don't understand how they're spawning on water, but that's completely fine. Alright, hopefully this video wasn't laggy this time. I don't think it's as laggy as it was before. But I've been working on it. Hopefully, I've been working as if it does work. Hopefully it does. I did a video the other day, and it seemed to be fine. I mean, yesterday, but you know what I mean. Fill that in. Make sure I got all my shulker boxes out of here. Yeah, I did. Okay, so now this is over, we are going to, give me a second. We're going to give me a second. Alright, I'm going to mark down the dimensions. Side dimensions, 11 by 11. Height of main room. Okay, 6 high. 6 high. Okay, that's that. Now, okay, this is 3 blocks. 3 blocks. And this down here is 5 blocks. This area right here is 5 blocks. And this is 2. 2, 5, 2. 2, 5, 2, 5. Boom. And then you got this. And then they just die here and all the hoppers. Now, because I do believe I set it down here. Alright, boom. Yeah, I should be working just fine. Boom. But yeah, I can just come down here just any time I want. So yeah. There you go, guys. That should be all. If you have any further questions, do leave it in the comments. I will happily answer them next video. Because I do read the comments. Some of you already know that. But see you guys next time, guys. Have fun.